hard to hold it, but yes, you have to keep holding it. Wow, this is a little bit tough thing. And now you have to take the circle sizes and then cut the paper sheets. Okay, now I have a bunch of small circles, and I have cut a lot because we need a lot. Now we are going to separate all of these circles. Okay, just get separated. So tough to separate these. So after you separate this, you have to take your strip of your tablets, and then you have to take your glue, take it a drop, put it, see, this is the back side, not the front side, the back side. You have to put it like that, just one drop, tiny drop, and then just fix this inside of this sheet, and then there you go, you have this thing. And I know it's gonna be a little white, so yes, after some time when it dries, when the glue dries, it becomes clear, so you'll see the lavender color after some time. Now you have to follow this process and stick the other circles too on this strip of paper sheet. Some more circles. Just keep on sticking circles and circles inside the strip, and then after some time, when the strip gets filled, you have to stop, and after that you just have to stick the strip on your bracelet, and then when you wear it, you can just keep popping it. But yes, make sure that you need to make it dry, keep it for drying for some time, so that you don't see those white spaces of glue, and secondly, it will work nicer, and no circle will come out of the pops. Okay, so as you can see, there's a lot of white spaces here, so I'm gonna just take my circle and rub it a little bit. And after you rub it also, like, see, this, the first one, when it's getting dried, it's getting better and you cannot see the white spaces. And when I made this poppet also, the white spaces were there, but now look at it, it doesn't even have a lot of white spaces. So in this poppet, do comment down below and tell me that which was the favorite color of yours from that poppet, and then you have to just do that. Now you have to take your bracelet finally, and then actually before the bracelet you have to take this and then just curl it a little bit, or make it a little curled, okay, so that it can be sticked on the bracelet. And now when you take your bracelet, you just have to stick this on the bracelet. Okay, so paste this on the bracelet. You can just paste this with a Velcro, so that you can remove it and play with it also after you wearing the bracelet. So I'm gonna stick it with the Velcro. I have it. Just put the Velcro over here or on the bracelet part, so that you can just remove it back and then play with it. So this is the Velcro. Just put it on the bracelet. Okay. Now you have your poppet bracelet ready. So this design also looks nice on the bracelet, first of all, and secondly, you can play with it any time you want whenever you wear this bracelet, and also you can make some more designs. So I'll design this bracelet and show you guys. So if you guys like to be plain all the time, you can just not use any design, because this already looks a nice design on the simple lavender sheet of paper, because it is so pretty. It's looking so pretty, like because it's not coming the camera, I guess you can't see the design, but when I look at it, it is so amazing. I just love the design already, and I didn't know that I could make such a nice bracelet pop it in a few minutes, because sometimes when I look at my bracelet, I used to think that I wish I had a bracelet which it looked fashionable on me too, and it was nice to play with it, so that I had fun with it, and I got one now. And that too, I made this one by myself, and I'll just show you how to pop it. Put it over here and then just pop it. I'll show you guys. Just first remove the bracelet, then I'll show you how to pop it. And when you're sticking this